Hey guys, I'm here to talk to you today about how to remove drums from your songs for YouTube covers or whatever you're thinking you want to use them for. It's a pretty straightforward process. I've been doing it for years. I discovered this software a couple years ago from a drummer here on YouTube called Tobines, and I'm sure a lot of drummers are using this or something similar. But the one I use is called Moises, and the website is moises.ai. And it's an AI instrumentation removal software. You can use this for drum covers, but it also applies to other instrumentation as well. You could use it for vocals or bass or guitar. It's a pretty straightforward process. You upload your song, have a listen back and make sure it's sounding the way you want it to sound. You can adjust the levels, you can see the BPM, and then you can export the mix, or you can export individual tracks depending on what your purpose is for splitting off the instruments in the track. There's a premium model and a free version. With the free version, you get 4 uploads and a bit more limitation on the tracks that you can actually separate. I think with the upgraded Pro model or whatever, you will be able to access quite a few more tracks. That's pretty much it. Once I've exported the MP3 or WAV, I just pop it into my recording program of choice, and I dial these bad boys in, and away I go, and I produce a cover usually without any of the original drums in it. And also, there's another method I should talk about, which I've used sometimes depending on the popularity of the song. You can literally search Drumless or whatever, no vocals, no bass. You can search up popular tracks, and sometimes you'll be able to actually find these tracks already uploaded by YouTube channels. People have created channels on YouTube where they've already removed certain instruments from the tracks for you, for your covers or whatever you want to use them for, remixes, stuff like that. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask below in the comments. If this helped you at all, give the channel a like, and it helps out a lot. And we'll see you in the next one.